Hey guys, what's up? This is Prachi, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you all a quick DIY to deal with excess sebum production and enlarged pores. Alright, so if you have a lot of clogged pores, if you have enlarged pores, if you have blackheads and whiteheads, this will help you a little bit with that as well. So let's get started with this DIY. First you will need some sandalwood powder. So I'm using de-oiled sandalwood powder. To this, we'll be adding a little bit of Dead Sea mud powder, not just for cleansing your skin, but also for dealing with excess sebum production. To this, we are adding charcoal powder for skin detoxification and also for proper skin cleansing. To all the three ingredients, add a little bit of rose water and some milk. So use more milk if you have dry skin and less milk if you have oily skin. Okay, so you have to balance that out. Mix all the ingredients really well and then just apply this all over your face, all over your neck. Wash this off, and then after you clean this up, use your regular face wash. You can use any face wash that you like using. Follow this up with a toner. Ideally, you can use any toner, but I would recommend using either a rose water based toner, or even better, use a toner with salicylic acid, because that just helps in deep pore cleansing much better. So most salicylic acid based toners are extremely expensive. This one is a less expensive option. It's an anti-acne face toner with salicylic acid by Derm Dog. It helps to fight acne and also unclog the clogged pores while controlling sebum production. So I'll link it down in the description box below with the rest of the products I've just used in today's video. Once you're done using the face mask, cleansing and toning, make sure to dab an ice cube on your skin. Okay, this can be a little drying, so if you have extremely dry skin, skip this step. But if you have oily skin, you can actually dab an ice cube. This will help with closing the pores even further. Now some of you will be saying that, Prachi, why are we applying the face mask first and then using a face wash and toner? Basically what happens is that because this face mask contains charcoal powder, there will be some traces remaining on your skin. So because there will be some traces remaining on your skin, we are using a face wash after using the face mask. Okay, and yes, that's all I want to share in today's video, guys. If you want to check out the product like I just mentioned, I'll share all the links in the description box below. I'll share all the links for purple.com because currently they are having the Get Gorgeous sale, where you can get up to 50% off on products plus an additional 10% off using this coupon code GET100, GET100. I will put the coupon code, the details and everything in the description box below as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. This is me, Prachi, signing off now. Bye-bye.